I just found out that Governor Hochul dropped $43 million across New York to fix something we all take for granted: the pipes bringing water to our homes. And here's what caught my attention. Long Island communities like Greenlawn are getting a massive piece of this. I started looking into why, and it turns out these aging water mains have been a ticking time bomb. Breaks, leaks, contamination risks, all happening under our feet while we're just turning on the tap expecting clean water. What's actually happening is New York is shifting the cost away from local residents. Instead of Greenlawn families footing the entire bill for pipeline overhauls, the state is covering $3.2 million of it. This is huge because water infrastructure isn't sexy, nobody votes on it, but when it fails, your entire day stops. I want you to understand that this funding model, what they're calling grant to glass, means the money flows directly from state coffers into the physical pipes that end at your faucet. Let me break down what $3.2 million actually buys. Greenlawn is replacing miles of century-old mains, installing real-time leak detection sensors, and upgrading pressure regulation systems. Fewer pipeline breaks means fewer boil water advisories. Better pressure control means contaminants can't backflow into clean lines. I talked to engineers who explained that modern materials and monitoring cut emergency repairs by 70%. 70%. Here's what this looks like at your tap. Consistent water quality, no more rusty morning flows, and costs that don't spike when an old main bursts at 2 a.m. The grant-to-glass approach means state investment becomes your daily reality. Premium, safe water, without the premium local tax hike. Greenlawn just got an upgrade most communities wait decades for, and it's happening now.